We are rebuilding Southwest Florida, and one of those ways is with modular construction. I was just able to go to Georgia and visit the Affinity building system, and it is impressive. It's wood framing, so that is one thing people are against. There's 180 mile-an-hour wind ratings with these systems. You can check out by these pictures behind me that they are built under controlled conditions. Everything is monitored, checked, double-checked, inspected by outside agencies. These are a quality building product. Now, these aren't for everybody, okay? They go up quickly, they are energy efficient, they are wood construction here in Southwest Florida, which is not a negative. Insurance is not a problem. If your insurance provider is a problem, contact us. We have many. Financing is not a problem. Same thing. We can help guide you through that. Click the link below. Call us if you have any questions. Our website has a bunch of information. Mark DeVries, president of Tri-Town Construction, local here for over 20 years. I want to help you rebuild Southwest Florida. Thank you.